Today we are giving spaghetti a wok-tossed makeover with bold Asian flavors. Savory soy sauce, rich oyster sauce, and plump juicy prawns. That's all stir-fried to perfection. It's fast, flavorful, and a total game changer for your pasta nights. Here's how you can make Asian-style spaghetti stir-fry in just a few simple steps. Here is what you need for this dish. Spaghetti, prawns, bacon, spring onions, garlic, chili. I have red and green chili here, but you can use either red or green or both. Using red and green chilies together will give this dish a little more color. Let's start off with the bacon. Cut the bacon into thin strips. Next, cut along the back of the prawns and remove the vein. I think these prawns here are already deveined. Roughly chop up some garlic. Chop up the spring onions and separate them into the white and green parts. Slice the chilies into rings. I'm using about 1 inch of the red chili and 1 inch of the green chili. But you can use as much chili or as little as you like. We'll start by cooking the spaghetti. Put a pot of water to boil. Then, add some salt. If you only have a small pot and you cannot fit the spaghetti into it, this is what you do. When the water is boiling, lower the heat. Grab your spaghetti into a bunch. Then place one end of it into the boiling water. Give it a couple of seconds to soften, then push the softened spaghetti into the boiling water. Turn the heat back up and boil the spaghetti. This way, you can boil long spaghetti in a small pot. Cook the spaghetti according to the packaging, but undercook it by about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm cooking mine for about 6 minutes. That's more than enough time for us to prepare the other ingredients. In a pan, over a medium heat, fry the bacon. Fry the bacon till the oil is extracted from the bacon. If there is not enough oil from the bacon, you can add some more oil to the pan. Next, toss in the chili, garlic, and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry all this for about a minute till they are all fragrant. Add in the prawns. Stir fry the prawns till they become pink. When they are pink, remove the prawns. This is to prevent them from overcooking. When the spaghetti is done, Put the spaghetti into the pan. It looks a bit dry. You can add a few tablespoons of the spaghetti boiling water into the pan. Next, season it with light soya sauce and oyster sauce. Sprinkle some black pepper and salt. Toss and stir to combine. Continue to cook the spaghetti to let it absorb all the seasoning. Fry this for about another 2 minutes. Also, add in a bit of water if it's too dry. Taste the strand of spaghetti to make sure that it is thoroughly cooked through and the seasoning is the way you like it to be. Return the prawns back to the pan. And give all this a good mix. To serve, garnish it with the green parts of the spring onions. And there you have it, an Asian-style spaghetti stir-fry, packed full of bold flavors. It's quick, it's easy, and it's guaranteed to elevate your pasta nights. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. And also, let me know in your comments below, what's your favorite way to cook spaghetti? I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you're new here, subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Check out these other tasty dishes right here on the screen. You don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.